Okay, so I was watching this speed modeling video the other day, and my brain was basically a mental tornado of how are they doing that so fast? Then I realized they were using Fluent. Seriously, if you've ever fought with Blender's boolean modifier stack until you wanted to throw your monitor out the window, you need to see this. It's not just a cutter tool, it's like having a professional mentor sitting next to you putting guardrails on your operations. You draw a shape and it handles the bevels, the clearing of artifacts, and the modifier stack automatically. It makes hard surface modeling feel, I don't know, actually fun, like playing with high-tech Lego blocks. And if you go for the power trip version, which let's be honest, you totally should, you get these insane specialized tools. Need a pipe? Just draw a line. Need a cloth panel or a screw head? It's right there in the pie menu. I've started putting cables and grids on literally everything. My coffee mug in 3D now looks like a tactical survival tool. What's really cool is that it's completely non-destructive. You can go back and change the thickness of a cut or the radius of a bevel 3 hours later without breaking the whole mesh. It's a total game changer for your workflow. If you want your models to look like high-end concept art without the technical headache, this is the one.